Welcome to YouNeedGadget. The internet is full of useless gadgets. I look for the ones that actually make life better. If you're into DIY electronics, battery projects, or repairing small electronic devices, this is definitely an interesting tool to check out. This portable spot welder is designed for battery pack projects and features up to 90 adjustable levels, giving you more control depending on the type of work you're doing. It also comes with a large color display, so you can easily monitor and adjust the settings directly from the device. The dual pulse system is designed to provide controlled welding, while built-in protection features help make the device safer to use. It can work with different cylindrical battery formats, including 18650, 26650, and 32650 cells, making it quite versatile for different DIY projects. And despite all these features, the welder is surprisingly compact and lightweight, so it doesn't take up much space in your workshop and can even be carried around when needed. For anyone who enjoys electronics, battery projects, or DIY repairs, this is the kind of tool that can be really useful to have available. It's compact, adjustable, and much more interesting than a traditional bulky welding setup. I definitely keep one in my workshop. Link in the description.